Okay, guys, it looks like it got completed. I do not know how long it took because I just left it running overnight. It was just taking too long for me to wait for it, so I just left it run overnight. And you can see that we have some errors. Something didn't install. It didn't install Google Chrome, and it failed to install the shellcode launcher, the VM. We do not need that, so I do not care about those. But if you have an error, all you have to do is that you can just install it manually. The way that you do it is you just do choco and then install Y and then the package name that it didn't install, and that should be able to install it. Like if you do need the shellcode, you would say choco install Y argument Y, and then you would put the package name in here, which will be shellcode underscore launcher.vm. All right. So I do not need that, so that's fine. Let's go ahead and press enter right here, or I should just exit. Do you want to terminate the batch job? Let's say yes, that's fine. We're just going to exit this. And if you look around, you can see that we have a lot of tools. We have tools for Android debuggers. We're going to see the SCD DBG. We have the X64 debugger. Other ones in here for networking. We have Wireshark, and we have the fake net ng. For utilities, we have a lot of utilities in here. We have Flaws, Cypherchef. We have Commander, which is a command line interface that we're going to be using. I don't want to update this right now. Let's see, we have Segwin. We're probably going to be using this one as well. Pragmom, we're definitely going to be using that. We have sysinternals in here, all the sysinternals, really cool stuff, a lot of good stuff in here. You can see that, so that is really good. Uni extract, the universal extractor, that is great. So we have everything we need in here, so looking good. If you also see the software, we have the software that I install. You can see it in here, whatever is new, Notepad++, a lot of good stuff. So it looks like it was good. So it was a good installation. I got everything we need. So one thing that we need to do before we move on is that we want to take another snapshot. And this snapshot is going to say main, right? Main Flare VM, right? Let's say after Flare VM installation. You can add a description here. And this is because we are going to be playing with malware, Trojans. We're going to be playing with a lot of viruses, and we do not know, even if we think we remove everything after we launch one of those malware, we don't know what was changed, right? So it is hard to remove everything. You could be missing something and get yourself infected, so you don't want to do that, right? So the first thing that I want to do is do a snapshot. So let's go ahead and take that snapshot. And remember, we have two snapshots already. We have one before the, if we go, you don't even need to look at it from there. Let's just go ahead and wait for the snapshot. So we have two snapshots so far. We have one for after the fresh installation, and then we have another one with, let's go to one after the fresh Windows installation, and another one. Let's go ahead and go over here. Let's go ahead and go another one after installing the Flare VM, right? Min snapshot, right? And then we have the main Flare VM. So let's see that I delete this guy right here, right? So it got deleted, and that was before. It was after we took the snapshot. So if you want to get that back, all you have to do is you want to first shut down, right? Let's go ahead and power off our machine. Don't show me this again. So that's going to power off our machine, and we're going to be able to restore using that main Flare VM. Restore, we'll create a snapshot of the current machine state. We don't want to do that. Let's go ahead and restore to the main Flare VM. And now we can go ahead and start. And remember that I deleted the file. You're going to see that the file is going to be back because I deleted the file after I did the snapshot. So here you go, and it is back. So awesome. So yeah, on the next video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up the network for the for the analysis that we're going to be doing. I'm going to be setting up the network environment in our virtual machine. So we are very careful on how we do that, and I will show you how to do that so you don't get your machine infected or your everything on your network infected. So this is it for this video, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.